you've got Mutuli. Okay, let me start with what you're saying. Unoziva law, Mutemo hauna part. But in maka brainwash you, your mind is so brainwashed that you are now accustomed to a lawyer, very biased in favor of some people. So it's shocking for you when you see someone, a lawyer, representing Munwezanu and what. A person who supports a member of an opposition party representing just because we are represent. That's low level thinking. Low level thinking. We don't hate people. We deal with the law and the merits of it. If you go to South Africa, there's a guy I don't see Dalimpofu. Dalimpofu has represented a lot of people, including Jacob Zuma recently. Actually, they don't represent Jacob Zuma, not Dalimpofu. But remember, EFF, top brass EFF. You see, that's the level that we want to reach as Zimbabweans. That means he's not a lawyer. He's just a puppet of a certain political party. Can only lawyer which is Mutemo will represent them on merit. If someone comes with a case, you check on the merits of the case. I'm going to represent you or I'm not going to represent you based on what he has brought. Usually biased if you think about it. No, we just because I party I can't represent us. So that's low level politics. We don't do politics or we don't support parties to hate each other. You see? So I'm a brainwash. You see, you must remove that mindset. Because you know you have a minister of finance, I'm going to World Bank, I'm going to IMF, right now is like he's calling virtually everyone. Imagine what kind of nonsense is that? You're looking at Raya standing by Rufaro Stadium, by entrance to Rufaro Stadium. I'm like is performing badly. Then Jiraya goes by Rufaro Stadium. Anyone passing there, guys, come and help me. What kind of nonsense is that? If you have failed, you just have to leave. Simple and straightforward. Aparoda kuti no kana zvazodhakwisa kuti but ndakakudedzai kuti muzondibatsira. What kind of thing? Takavaudza vanhu ava kuti you cannot run an economy, you cannot rig the economy like you rig elections. When you try to rig the economy, the exchange rate and inflation will embarrass you. There's no abana, you cannot run the economy in propaganda. We have been telling these fools for many years and months and you name it. You cannot run the economy in propaganda. As Mude, it's Yakanyeba, Chitagawana, 500 billion, but billions are flowing. Billions are flowing. I don't know what open bar. Mujifara, Mugo Pimbera, where are the billions? Because Mtsanga has exposed everything. And we've exported a double in Shatangati export. But Maraja is going. Where's the money going? Don't looking at it, so I just said it clearly. You don't need a rocket scientist to understand what Mari will be.